A closer look at Shopify POS Lite. Shopify is a platform that allows businesses to create and manage their own e-commerce website and online store. One of the features that sets Shopify apart from other e-commerce platforms is having its own built-in point-of-sale system. With Shopify, businesses can use the same platform for both their online and offline sales. This gives businesses a unified view of their inventory, customers, and sales data instead of having to piece together different sources from different dashboards that don't mesh. The Shopify POS system comes in two versions, Lite and Pro. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Lite version to see what it has to offer for business owners. With Shopify Point of Sale Lite, business owners can track products, manage customer profiles, and accept credit card payments using an iPad, iPhone, or Android. The big difference between Shopify POS Lite and Pro is that Lite does not include some of the more advanced features like unlimited store staff, smart inventory management, unlimited registers, and in-store analytics, just to name a few. Pricing for Shopify Point of Sale Lite is included with all Shopify plans. POS Pro plans are an additional monthly fee, but the tools and value received far outweigh the nominal monthly fee. Click the link below if you have more questions about pricing. Features of Shopify Point of Sale Lite. Shopify POS Lite includes all of the essential features that businesses need to run their sales operations smoothly. These features include inventory management. Keep track of your inventory levels in real time so you never oversell or run out of stock unexpectedly. Customer management. Use Shopify POS to keep track of your customers' contact information and purchase history. This information can be used to provide targeted discounts and promotions. Credit card payments. Process credit card payments using an iPad or iPhone with the ShopPay app. All major credit cards are accepted, including Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover. And don't forget about today's latest digital payments with your phone. Offline mode. Even if there is no internet connection available, businesses can continue to process sales using Shopify POS offline mode. You can make cash and check transactions while offline. All sales made offline will be synced with the Shopify platform once an internet connection is reestablished. Shopify Point of Sale Lite is a great solution for small businesses that need an easy way to manage their products, customers, and sales operations. The platform is very user-friendly and comes with all of the essential features that businesses need to run their sales smoothly. If you're looking for a point-of-sale system that won't break the bank, then Shopify POS Lite is definitely worth considering. Click on the link below if you would like a free expert demonstration.